Hello everyone, my name is Govind and currently I am working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. I welcome you all to this video, and in this video I am going to tell you about how can we connect a data flow that is in the Power BI service, or I can say in the Microsoft Fabric, to the Power BI desktop, and how can we visualize the data of the data flow. So for that, this is the Power BI desktop, and the option for connecting to the data flow you will get from here, which is get data option, and from here you have to select this particular option, which is data flow, right? So what happens after that, all the workspace in which the data flow is stored, it will fetch, and I have to just open this particular workspace option. Let us wait. Okay, so after that you can see the data flow is present at two workspaces, Fabric Trial and Test 5. So currently I'm trying to connect to the data flow which is stored in the Test 5 workflow, and the data flow is data flow 2. So I will open this workspace, and from here I will open data flow 2 because I want to connect the data flow 2, right? Let us wait, it is getting loaded. Yes, after that you can see I'm having one table which is deals. I will click here and I will preview the data for that. It is getting evaluated, so let us wait. Okay, I think yes, it has loaded the data, right? I'm having the 5 column or maybe 6 column in my data. I will from here I will just have a look. I will click on transform data and I will see that each and everything is fine. Okay, so you can see that this particular deals table is coming from the data flow 2. This is the code for that, where it has fetched the workspace ID, data, and then some credentials and the table name. Okay, so everything looks good. I will click on here, close and apply. It is getting loaded, so we have to wait. Okay, now so it has been added. You can see the data here, right? So this is how you can connect to the data flow from Fabric to the Power BI desktop. So yes, this is all about this video, and if you are having any doubts, so please do let me know in the comment section. I will happy to answer. And if you like the video, so please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Addend Analytics for more insights. Thank you.